Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to learn about HTML. I know that I have been making many programming videos lately, but from in the next video I will make a study video shortly. Okay. So today we learn about HTML. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So hypertext means any text that takes you to a web page. So for example, hypertext is a line or any text which is blue in color and is has an underline, like text like links of I'll just show you what hypertext is. So I'll just copy this and no, not this. I'll just copy this and go to the notepad and paste it. So as you can see, it is not blue in color right now, but if I save the file, which I'll just save right now. Okay, so I'll just yes, then I save it and then I close the file and then I open it again. Okay, sorry, I saved it. One second. Um, Open. Where is the file? Not text. All files. First program in HTML. So right now in Notepad it is not coming blue in color, but normally in wherever you paste any link, it becomes blue in color and is underlined. Right, is hypertext. And markup language is any language that contains tags. Okay, so tags are any text between two angular brackets. Okay, so angular brackets are the triangular brackets. So any text in between triangular brackets and they don't show on the web page. Okay, so I will first tell you about the types of tags. There are two types of tags. One is one is container tags, and one is uh, empty tags. You can also call them um, open and close. One are open and close tags, and one are only open tags. So container tags are tags which have an open tag, which is like this: angular bracket open, HTML angular brackets closed, and then close tag is angular brackets open, then slash, then HTML like any um, code, and then angular brackets closed. So these are called container tags because they always contain something in themselves. And then there are empty tags like BR, which is line break, HR, which is horizontal line. So these tags only have open tags because they don't contain anything in themselves. So yeah. So first of all in whenever you write an HTML code, you always have to write in the first line the HTML tag, so that the browser can understand that you are this is an HTML program. This is an HTML program and not any other program of any other programming language. Okay, like Java, JavaScript, because Java, JavaScript are also used to make web pages. Then we have to write head and then title. So title is this over here. As you can see, whenever you open a new tab, it shows a title at the top, right? So this is the title. This is the title. This is the title. Okay. So yes. Then you put whatever you want your title to be. So first program in HTML, and then title close, and then head closed. So I will tell you about the head tag. Why are we putting head over here afterwards? So sorry, I will tell you only right now only. So the head tag, like it provides general information about the object. Example, the title defines the title for the page on the browser's title bar. So this is the title bar, right? This is the title bar, and it displays the name. So like that head bar, we use the head tag to show um, the the general information about the web page. So then yeah, so I'll just save this. And one more thing I didn't show you was that whenever you save an HTML program, you always have to write .html at the last. Save as type can be anything, text, txt, or like all files also it can be. But in the file name, you can write any name, but at the last you always have to put .html. The so the browser always knows that this is an HTML. This is a HTML program. So I've saved it, and then there are two ways of opening an HTML program. So the first way is going to the place where you have saved the file and then double clicking on it, and it will open in the browser. Okay, and the second way is to, this is the more tedious way, is to open the file type in your browser, the files in your browser like this. So these are the files. I'll just show you what these files are. Okay, so these are the files which are in your drive. These are all the files, as you can see. So these are the same apps. So these are dollar, which means they don't show you in the file, my files, and then apps, Dell drivers, and etc. So this is the more tedious way, because you then have to find the place where your file is saved, and moreover it only works in Windows, I guess, because in Linux it doesn't work, and about Mac I don't know. So I suggest you to use the first method, which is by going to the place where you saved the file and double clicking on it. As you can see in the title, I had set my title as first programming in HTML, and the title of the web page is first program in HTML also. So if I hadn't put title over here, okay, so it would show the name of my file, which is first program in HTML.html. So I'll just show you. Control S, and then I'll reload this. As you can see, this is the name of the file, and the head tag now shows its text in the in the site. So okay, title, and then close title. Yes, yeah, just save this and reload this. So now I'm going to tell you about the body tag. So the body tag contains the main information that you want to show in your um, website, in your HTML program. So like in a paragraph or a letter, there is a body section which contains the main information you want to show. So just like that. So in the body section, you can write anything you want. So hello, this is my first HTML program, and then I'll just close it. So this is also a container tag. Then I'll save it and open and reload the web page, and as you can see, it shows hello, this is my first HTML program, which I put in the body section. So now there is another tag called P, paragraph tag, which is P. Okay, so the paragraph tag, what it does, like in a letter you have three paragraphs, right? This is the first paragraph. So for example, I'll just take this is the first paragraph, then you leave a space, and then this is the second paragraph, and then again you leave a space, and then the third paragraph. So just like that, when you use the paragraph tag and put any text in between the paragraph tags, so for example, this is the basics of HTML, and then you close the paragraph tag, and then I save it. So what will happen is that after hello, this is my first HTML program, it will leave a space and then write this line. This is the basics of HTML. So I'll just reload this and see. As you can see, it has left a line between hello, this is my first HTML program, and this is the basics of HTML because I used the paragraph tag. So like the alternative for paragraph tag is the line break tag, which is BR tag. So as I had shown you before, this is an empty tag, so it doesn't have a closed and a closed tag. So you can just write after hello, this is our first program, you want a break, so you can just write uh, line break, the BR tag, which is line break tag, angular brackets open, BR, angular brackets close, and then it will leave a line and write this is the basics of HTML. I'll save it and reload the site web page, and as you can see, okay, oh sorry, this doesn't leave a line. So what it does, like you have written this line, right, and then what it does is that it takes the mouse cursor to the other line, right, it takes the mouse cursor to the other line, next line, and then writes the code after the BR tag. So for example, if I remove the BR tag and then reload the site, as you can see, the both the lines are in the same line, both the sentences are in the same line, but even though we have put the both the sentences in two